The Armed Forces of Nigeria says the recent actions by members of the proscribed Islamic Movement of Nigeria, commonly known as the Shi'Ite group, was best to be described as terrorists and should be treated as such. Director Defense Media Operations Major General Edward Buba stated this on Thursday during a bi-weekly press briefing held in Abuja, noting that the unprovoked attack by Shi'Ite group against security personnel is unacceptable.
Yes, Islamic Movement of Nigeria. I totally agree that this group have been proscribed. I totally agree that this group are likened to a terrorist group. And I totally agree that this group should be treated as such for what they are. Just about a week ago, they killed security forces. Unprovoked attacks. We will not accept this. We will not accept this. And believe me, we are doing something about it. Thank you. The President gave the Chief of Defense Staff, General C.J. Musa, the marching orders to ensure that crude oil theft is curbed and that the nation hits its mark of 2 million barrels per day in the nation's crude oil production. Since then, the military put several factors in place to ensure that we meet up with that directive. And these are some of the factors that we put in place. First is we established a unified command system whereby all the security agencies operating in the area will be under a unified command and control. Next was to improve our surveillance of the pipelines and the oil infrastructure within the Niger Delta region, particularly the wellheads and others. Then, we began to monitor the point of loading to the point of...
The attackers, who were armed with machetes, improvised explosive devices and knives, embarked on several violent attacks which left 2 police officers dead instantly and 3 unconscious, currently receiving treatment in hospital.